I'm Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. That's IamWealthyandRich.com. And welcome to today's update. So every day I've been updating mine to start the stopwatch. We won't go too long. Every day I update my cryptocurrency portfolio, whether it's gone forward or backwards and or stayed the same, which hasn't happened yet, but they've gone forward or backwards. And this was a portfolio that was started a year ago in the cryptocurrency space. And this is a long-term investment, which I'm just tracking. And then what I do is I track it and then talk about a few things afterwards. So make sure you stay to the end of the video it's not just a 2-minute video. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. So the other thing I want to point out is I'm not a financial planner or advisor, so there's not financial advice. I'm not an accountant or CPA either. So do your own due diligence, your own research, and also understand that all investments do carry a degree of risk, although some more than others, but all investments do carry a degree of risk. So do not invest more than you can afford to lose. So what I'm going to do right now is share my screen and then update the spreadsheet. This is our website, by the way. I'll come back to here later. So this is the spreadsheet. It's 3 columns: the altcoin, the Bitcoin, and the totals. And the green and reds is basically every time it moves forward on the previous day, we mark that in green. And when it goes red on the previous day, mark it in. When it goes down on the previous day, we mark it in red. So so sometimes it moves forward 4 days, and then it goes backwards 2 days, and forward for 8-9 days, and then it goes backwards a day, and so on and so forth. We have another more than 1 week going forward there, and forward here and backwards, and forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Interesting as pattern starts to form, and this is probably going to form part of a future case study. That's why I decided to start filming this from February 2022, 2021 this year. So, but even though the portfolio was actually started in May 2020. So yeah, so here we are down where we are today, the 15th, and yesterday's basically we kind of had 4 days in a row, the trend going backwards. And that's okay, because I've explained in previous videos where we expect Bitcoin to go. So let's go over to the page where I get the figures from. So this is the page I get the figures from, which is this portfolio consists of 1 whole Bitcoin and a specially selected, specially researched alternative coins. And we're pretty confident and sure about these alternative coins. So, and then we have the title here. So as you can see on the right hand side, we've got the same portfolio, but it's in pounds, sterling or Great British Pound, GBP. And this just shows the ratio of investment. So as you can see, yeah, 75% or more of my investment is in the altcoins and not Bitcoin, and there's a reason for that. Now this comes in from a live feed here, which comes into an asset group, and then we get the final figure here. That's how this comes, and it's updated every 10 or so minutes in real time. So this figure here is what I'm going to start with, which is 101,552.12. So let's put today's date here. That's time. So 101,552.12. I don't know, was it 552? 552.12, yeah, that's correct. 101,552.12. And that is also down on yesterday, so that will stay red. It's $171 down on yesterday, and the total is 133,443.83. 133,433.83. Let's see if that's right. 33433. 443. 4 in there. And we'll bring that figure down here. About $69.76 down on yesterday's figure, so it will stay red. And Bitcoin is, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is up actually, 101. So that's going to turn green. So that's green. Now hold that. So yeah, so Bitcoin's up a little bit. So we've got kind of the reverse of yesterday, really. Because no, we've got the same as yesterday. Yeah. So all were down yesterday, and now today the altcoins were down mostly, and that's what kind of brought the whole portfolio down a little bit. Bitcoin was up slightly, it's about $101, and that's the update. So what I like to talk about is, what I normally talk about is different things. I sometimes talk about the markets, talk about the charts, talking about prices, talking about trends, talking about mindset. The mindset is so important. It's just so important. If you want to be a successful investor or trader. Now, this particular portfolio is really about being a long-term investor. Well, there are many ways to get into crypto, but none of them will really work for you if you don't have a wealth and prosperity mindset. If you're not conditioned to attract wealth. And a lot of people don't understand this, and I'm trying to help people understand this, because without this, you won't succeed. Your mind will work against you. It's not the market working against you. It's not the market. It's your mind either working for you or against you, because someone else in the same market will make money. So it's obviously not the market. If there are many people in the market that will make money, when you will lose money in the market, in that same market, then it's not the market, it's you. And so taking care of you is the most important thing. Making sure you are the best you can be is the most important thing, so that you're fit to take on the market and capitalize on those opportunities that the market presents. All right. And so, and the more riskier your strategy, the more you're going to need to be really fine-tuned on your wealth attraction capability. And you might be thinking, well, how do you develop a wealth mindset, or how do you develop a wealth accumulation capability? Because people just need to understand there are people who are very mentally well adjusted to attract wealth, and it just makes their trading or investing a lot more successful. They will just gravitate naturally towards the right trades and the right timings, ins and out of the markets. And from the outside, they look lucky, or this guy is very successful, or this woman's very successful, but you don't know what's going on up here. Okay, and what's going up here? There are many things. They have to be very proficient in their skill, but if they have also a well-adjusted mindset for attracting wealth, it will help them, because unlike their counterpart, they could have a mindset that's been adjusted to repel wealth. So what it would do is, even if you're using the right strategy, for some way, it will make you lose. It will sabotage your efforts. It will make you sabotage your efforts. It will find a way to do that just to agree with your current mindset, which is a poverty mentality in most cases. Most people have a poverty mentality. So that is the fundamental difference between winning and losing. And I'm not saying, even if you have a negative or poverty-based mindset, that you won't win. Yeah, you'll win, but you'll lose it in the next trade. The system will make sure it takes it back off you. That's the thing. So you go, aha, but I won one time. I was successful. I had 2-3 successful trades. I got in and out of the market and I made some money. Yes. But you wait till you get in and out the next time, 2 or 3 times, see what happens. You'll see you come back. Everything you made, you'll lose again. And then you'll just be hanging on to the story like, yeah, I was successful at one time. So why is that? You see what I mean? You won't go on to a higher level of success, a higher level of success, a higher level of success. And this happens to a lot of people. The further they try to run forward, the further back they find themselves. Okay, if this has happened to you over the years, there's a reason for it. Okay, you have not been conditioned to attract and retain wealth. So isn't it about time you sorted that out? You dealt with that once and for all. Okay, but if you think this is the time, if you're fed up of going 2 steps forward, 3 steps forward, 2 steps backwards. Okay, if you just want to go 3 steps forward and then 5 steps forward and then maybe 1 step back and then 6 steps forward and then 1 step back and 7 steps forward and 1 step back. You know, I'm not saying that even successful people lose money from time to time, but they get it all back and more. Whereas those who are maladjusted up here for wealth and prosperity get wiped out. There's a difference. So don't try and play this game until you've got your mind working. Your mind is your most valuable asset. Your mind is your most valuable asset, not your trading platform, not your set of instructions or your courses or whatever. Your mind is your most valuable asset. So cultivate it, utilize it, okay? You know, build it up so it becomes the mind. I say in our training, the mind can be a great servant, but a very bad master. So you want to make it your servant, and it will serve you very, very well. But you have to train it. It's not used to taking orders from you. Okay, you have to train it and to bring it into line. And so where do you get this training? How do you do it? It's very, very simple. There are complicated methods and there are simplistic methods. Okay, I've tried them all. And I find the simplistic ones work better, more straightforward. And they're free. That's the great thing about it. There are $1,000 courses which I've taken, $1,000 and more, okay, that haven't produced a fraction of the result that I've got from these free resources. But it's how I use them. I've developed a method of using them in the right way, okay, which I'm going to give to you for free. I'm not going to charge you for it because I believe is, you know, the more people that develop the right wealth and prosperity mindset and succeed, the better we'll all be. Okay, I don't need to make money from that. I'm making money from what I'm doing in terms of investing and so on. So I'm going to show you exactly where you can get this information. You can start working on yourself. And please understand, you have to work on yourself. If you don't want to work on yourself, then you might as well not bother. If you're not prepared to work on yourself, you need to be prepared to work. You need to, first of all, be humble. You need to humble yourself and say, you know what? I'm not where I want to be, if that's you. But I'm willing to make changes. I'm willing to make changes. I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to do whatever it takes so that I can move to the next level in the next 12 months. If you say that and mean it, then you're on the right track. But if you're proud and think that, no, I've got it sorted out, I've got it figured out, I don't need anything, just show me where the investment's at. Well, good luck. I'll show you where the investment's at. And 1 year from now, you'll see what will happen. And then you'll come back and say, you know what? I should have listened and I would have saved 1 year. But anyway, I'm going to show you where we can get hold of the training. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to this website so you can start your journey to prosperity today. Let's go to this website, www.IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Okay, Most people do not understand how the game of money, on how, yet alone play it well. Okay, so you want to scroll down to this form here. This form here, it says, get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy for free. So you better get it while it's free. Put your name and email address in. I'll send it to you straight away. And watch the videos 3 times. Okay, especially the instruction videos that tells you how to use the material. Watch it 3 times. Don't watch anything once. Okay, I speak to some people and say, I watched the video. How many times do you watch it? Oh, once. You need to watch it 3 times. Because when you watch it the second time, more information we're seeking, more understanding we're seeking. When you watch it the third time, more information, more understanding we're seeking. Because it depends on how you use the materials I give you that will take the success. So if you don't, and that, it depends on how well you understand it, which will determine how well you use it. So to get a really good understanding, watch the instruction videos 3 times. And then also get your finances in order. Get your finances in order, get a financial investment strategy in order, and show you how to do that. And then you've got some discipline, mental discipline, financial discipline in your life, some order, then contact us so that we can send us an email so we can get you on. If you want to find out more about where the real money is made, you know, why I invest more than 70% of my money in the altcoins, then contact us by email and get you on a free webinar and show you how to get information about that. Okay, well, step 1 is to get to this website, IamWealthyandRich.com, how to understand the game of money and play it well, and fill in the short form, get your information, and start working on yourself. Okay, and then you can come back here later and watch some of my previous videos. And it goes back, there's a lot of videos, so you can go to the actual YouTube channel. There's a ton. Watch it on the YouTube channel or the blog, either way, and find out more of the philosophies it takes to become a successful investor. Okay, so that's what I've got for you today, and I strongly urge you to take this seriously. People think this is the least important thing. It's actually the most important thing, of which all of your success will be built on top of this foundation. That's the thing. So don't, you know, don't think it's not important. Don't think, treat it as a priority is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And you should keep wondering why I keep showing videos in the background like this, sort of a static picture. I'm just trying to remind you, to inspire you of the lifestyle that is available for you. Okay, it's available for you if you're prepared to do whatever it takes to achieve it. Okay, so this is about inspiring you to take action to a better life, to a life on your terms. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.